Welcome to DH Graphic Studio. Today I show you the best process, how to retouch a photo. Please watch this tutorial attentively. Let's start this tutorial. At first I choose this photo for this tutorial. I choose Spot Healing Brush Tool for Remove Spot Form Face. I copy this layer for Apply Retouch. I go Image menu in Adjustment for Invert this photo. Apply Vivid Light in Blending option. Go to Filter menu, apply High Pass with certain value. Go to Filter menu again, apply Gaussian Blur with certain value. After that, apply Opposite Mask in Active Layer. Select Brush Tool to masking this photo for final result. Set up Brush Opacity and Flow. After that, brush into photo for better result. After brush, adjust level with this photo. Go to Image menu for Apply Brightness. After that, set up Lips color and lips. Apply Multiply for Adjust Lips color. Finally, open Layer Style for blend this lips color with lips. Apply saturation for adjust proper color and look shiny.
Now this girl look like very hot and sexy.
Thank you for watching this video. Watching more videos, please subscribe this channel.